one system, is it same as caste system or is it different? So the Purusha Suktam from Rig Veda, it says, Padosya Vishwa Bhutani. His Purush feet became this visible bird, and it becomes creation again and again. Padosya bhavat punaha. And that from this Purush, Virat Manas was born. Tasmad virala jayat virajo adhipurushaha. And from this Virat's mouth, Brahmins were born. From his arms, Kshatriyas were born. From his thighs, Vaishya. And from his feet, Shudra were born. Brahmanesya mukhmasid bahurajanya krataha urutadasya yad vaishya hai padbhayam shudro ajayat. From his eyes, sun was born. From his mind, moon. From his mouth, fire. And from his breath, Vayu was born. Chandrama manaso jacha chakshuh suryo ajayat mukadindrash chaginascha pranadava yurjayat. From his navel, Antariksh was born, and from his feet, Earth was born. Nabhya asidantariksham Shirshane dayo samarvatat padbhayam bhumir dishaha shota tatha lokam kalpayan. So, earth and all humans, whether Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishya or Shudra, they all were created by Virat Manas or Purush. We all are part of that Virat Manas. So this one system cannot be by birth. The division was based on the nature and qualification of the person, and this is mentioned in Gita also. Gita chapter 4, shloka 13 says, Chaturvarnyam matha shrishtam gun karma vibhagashaha tasya kartar bhapi mam vidya kartaram avyayam. Means गुणों और कर्मों के अनुसार रचे गए मुझसे हैं ये वर्ण चार. करता हूँ इन सब का मैं ही भले, अकर्ता ही लेकिन समझ तू मुझे. In Gita chapter 18 shlok 42, 43 and 44, it's mentioned that this division was based on the nature of the person. It was based on the swabhav of the person. So shloka 42, it says, Shamodam satapaha shaucham shantirajvadamev cha jnanam vijnanamastikhyam ब्रह्म कर्म स्वभावजम. वश में हो तन मन, क्षमा भाव हो, मन शुद्ध तप स्वभाव हो, तो ज्ञान विज्ञान श्रद्धा भी जब ब्राह्मण के स्वाभाविक ये कर्म सब. सो नोट स्वभावजम, इट से स्वभावजम एंड इट से स्वभाव हो जब. इट मीन्स नेचर, व्हेन नेचर इज देयर. श्लोक 43, शौर्य तेजो धृतिर्दाक्ष्यम युद्धे चाप्य पलायनम दानीश्वर भावश्च छात्रम कर्म स्वभावजम. सो अगेन स्वभावजम. तेज और चतुरता जो है शूरवीर, भागे न युद्ध से ऐसा धीर, दान और शासन नियम से करे, कर्म क्षत्रिय के हैं ये स्वभाव से. श्लोक 44, कृषि गौरक्ष्य वाणिज्यम वैश्य कर्म स्वभावजम परिचर्यात्मकम कर्म शूद्र सयापि स्वभावजम. सो अगेन स्वभावजम. खेती व गोरक्षा व्यापार भी है वैश्य के ही कर्म ये सभी। सेवा में सबकी जो तत्पर रहे, कर्म शूद्र का है ये स्वभाव से। तो कर्म ये है स्वभाव से। So in Ved and Gita, it's written that one system was based on nature and qualification of the person. Nowhere it's mentioned that it was based on the birth or was related to birth. And there are many examples to prove this. For example, Chandragupta, he was a Dasi Putra, but he became Kshatriya or Samrat. Parshuram was born as a Brahmin. He was son of one of the Saptarishis, Rishi Jamadagni, but he did Kshatriya work. Vishwamitra was son of a Kshatriya father, but he became Brahmin. Rishi Vyas' mother Satyavati was daughter of a fisherman. So the caste system which we see today is not the same as one system which existed previously. Thank you. Arth and Shudra both were born from Virat's feet. So Arth serves us. It gives us food, water, shelter and everything else we need. It basically serves us. Similarly, the nature of Shudra is to serve others. We don't say that earth is untouchable and we are not going to touch it. Similarly, Shudras are not untouchable. They do different type of work than Kshatriya, Vaishya and Brahmins, but it does not make them untouchable. Basic structure of our body is similar to that of Virat Manas. Like we have our mouth, feet, hand, legs. So we do not consider our feet part of our body as untouchable or of lesser status. So feet are not untouchable or of a lesser status. Same way Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra are part of the same Virat Manas. So one cannot be untouchable or lower status or of a lower status. And all parts are required to maintain the intact body. So Shudras are not of a lower status or untouchable. And there are like many examples like I gave before and now also like I'm giving these, like people who were born to some particular person like Kshatriya and then they lived their life as Brahmins or other way around, like that. Like Karna, he was born to Kshatriya mother Kunti, but he was brought up by the charioteer of King Dhritarashtra and he got his education as a Brahmin. So this caste system is not same as one system which existed before. There is so much evidence for this.